Hey there, this is Neil Napier, and in this video I'm going to walk you through 3 simple steps in which you can use AI Open Door to find leads, reach out to them, and then deliver them something for free, and then charge more if you want to for paid work. So the very first thing you need to do is come in and create a new data list. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the real estate market. Once you do that, you've got a couple of options for lead selection. You can go for local leads in the US or local leads in the UK. If you have one of the upgrade versions, you can also scrape leads live from online businesses as well as from Google Places. But let's go ahead and search leads within the US. So I'm going to go ahead and find real estate leads in New York. I can choose job type as well. If I want particularly to say talk to the owners or managers, I can choose the number of employees they have, the number of the amount of money they're making as well. And then you can choose the amount of leads you want to see at any given time. So let's go ahead with 10 credits. And when you do that, you will be able to see all the leads immediately. You can click here and see more details such as the company name, job title, the email, and other details as well. If you want to, you can export the leads here and reach out to them one-on-one. But before you do, let's go ahead and do some prospecting as well. Adding a list into your prospecting list is as simple as clicking on export to prospector. Then it gets moved into this prospect list, and you can see all the details over here, the email address, everything else. And alongside that, you can do a couple of cool things. For your own sake, you can click this button and you can analyze their website in real time. So we go ahead and use AI to analyze their website and give you guidance on what you can say, what you can offer to them to be able to close them and make more money. This is what your internal report looks like. And as you can see, we have scored text quality, user experience, SEO performance, content originality, and we tell you exactly what it is that you need to be able to say reach out to them. And we tell you how the website works and so on and so forth. But then you also see some other things, such as what platform is a website based on? Do they have an SSL? Do they have an active MX record? All these things are very crucial. But then you can also click this button and view the public report that you can send to them. This is the real-time website audit that you do, which tells them things that need improving on their website. So in this case, you can see how clear the website is, how relevant it is. Clearly they need help with SEO, so that is a service you can reach out and offer to them. And when you look at this public report page, and this is a page that you can send to them, it's on an unbranded domain, so it doesn't link back to us in any way, then they can also reach out to you right over here. So they can send you a message and they can ask you to do more work for them. Work such as SEO optimization, as well as, most importantly, website copy. So yes, you are able to also create website copy for them using AI Open Door. You can create homepage, about page, careers, case study, whatever it is you want. We take the website content into consideration. You can add more details over here and you can create brand new copy on the go. There you go. All the copy is done. You can now send it to them. You can insert it for them. And if you want to charge a little bit extra, you can just head back to the previous page. You can go to Done For You Themes, and we've got 15 Done For You themes right over here. You can download these and you can insert the content for them, which then you can sell on for $500 or $1,000. So altogether, AI Open Door gives you the leads, turns them into prospects, which you can reach out via any email tool that you're using. If you want to reach out to them in bulk, we talk about that more in the bonus training, as well as then you can give them a website audit report that gets their foot through the door. But also besides that, if you want to sell something else, you can give them done for you content for their website, and you can also install their website for them. So all in all, it's a complete system that opens doors for you with local businesses, with online businesses, allows you to walk through and make deals with them.